So we're here at Randy's today. We got the Century with the sick wheels on there. We got the Bentley and we got the NSX. We got to do the Spoon big brake kit on here. So gonna do just the fronts. They don't make the rears. So we're gonna jack the car up and then we'll get the OEM calipers off and then we'll put the spoons on. Should be a pretty straightforward process. Thank you to Chris Lum for the great installation video. A lot of great pointers and tips on washer placement and with the brake pads. So you guys can see that the new rotor is a slightly larger diameter than the NA1. So the bottom of NA2, these are NA1. I think it's about a 10mm difference. So here we're unboxing the Spoon brakes. Very, very nicely packaged. Got the NA2 rotors on with the set screws. Calipers are held in by 2 bolts to the supplied mounting bracket. And then now we're installing the pads. These are S2000 Track Pads. And everything goes together perfectly. And we torque it all down. And just like that, all installed. Very simple. The pads are in there, the S2000 Track Pads, and we just got to torque down all the bolts. I think this is 11 and these are 40, and then the caliper brackets in the back are like 80. And we got the Seibon carbon fiber hood unboxed. Unfortunately, you got a little damage here from the driver opening the box. Took a box cutter and ruined it. But if we're wrapping it, really not a huge deal. We'll see if we can get a partial credit on that. Here's the Seibon hood in the daylight. It actually looks really nice. Good weaves. Clear coat looks pretty nice too. So here you hear Randy laughing. It's because the spoiler doesn't have the insert for the wires, so now we have to trim the wires and make them even shorter. And there it is, all installed. That looks good. Oh yeah. So the hood is basically like 98% flush. It looks really good. Honestly, we had to adjust it probably like 30 times to get it right. And then we got the Spoon calipers on. So I just gotta bleed them tomorrow with new fluid. But it looks really, really good. Car's coming together. I love the vented hood, so now we have airflow coming from the radiator and the heat exchanger. And then the spoiler also looks really good. Maybe you can put like a NSX-R sticker on there, or we can leave it as is, but I think it completes the look of the rear end for sure.